Welcome to Best Choice. The best OEM tools funnel is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in any mechanics or DIY enthusiast's arsenal, simplifying the messy task of fluid transfer and ensuring that your engine, transmission, or other vital components receive the lifeblood they need without spills or contamination. This indispensable gadget, designed with precision and durability in mind, aims to make your maintenance routine smoother, cleaner, and more efficient, saving you time and preventing costly mistakes. Number 5. Oem Tools No Spill Coolant Funnel Kit. Tired of spills and air bubbles during radiator refills? This kit is designed to make your coolant flush job clean and hassle-free. With 5 direct fit adapters, this versatile kit ensures compatibility with various radiators. It effectively prevents spills and trapped air during refills. Reaching tight or awkward filler necks is no longer a problem. The included angled adapter and extension allow for precise and easy filling. The integrated fluid stopper prevents drips when you remove the funnel. It's the ideal tool for a clean coolant change. This comprehensive set includes all the necessary adapters and extensions for a spill-free experience. It's the perfect solution for your fluid and oil funnel needs. What we like. This kit is designed to prevent spills and air bubbles during coolant refills. If you are looking for a clean and hassle-free coolant flush job, this is the one for you. Its angled adapter and extension make it ideal for reaching tight or awkward filler necks. What people say. This funnel is great for oil changes. It fits perfectly in the oil fill hole. The wide mouth makes it easy to pour oil without spilling. Number 4. Oem Tools Coolant Vacuum Refill Kit. This tool quickly refills your vehicle's cooling system. It also eliminates trapped air, preventing potential engine damage. Perform vacuum leak tests on your cooling system to ensure optimal function. This helps you avoid costly repairs down the line. Reduce the risk of engine damage caused by air pockets. It's an essential tool to prevent recurring cooling system issues. This kit comes with 5 additional bushings and a tapered cone adapter. It's designed for a recommended working pressure of 70 to 110 psi. The tapered cone adapter creates a secure seal on most radiator and coolant bottlenecks. Enjoy a hassle-free experience without custom adapters. What we like. This tool offers efficient cooling system refills while eliminating trapped air to prevent engine damage. If you want to ensure your vehicle's cooling system is functioning optimally and avoid costly repairs, this is a great choice. It also performs vacuum leak tests for added peace of mind. What people say. This funnel is great for oil changes. The wide mouth makes it easy to pour oil into the engine. It's made of durable plastic that won't crack or break. Number 3. Oem Tools 87021 No Spill Oil Funnel for GM and BMW. Tired of messy oil changes? This innovative funnel screws directly into your engine's filler neck, ensuring a secure and stable connection every time. Specifically engineered with vehicle-specific threads, it provides a perfect fit for GM and BMW engines, reducing spills and making refills a breeze. The transparent lower chamber allows you to easily monitor the oil flow. This helps you prevent overfilling and ensures your engine receives the correct amount of oil. Featuring a wide flow passage, it allows for faster oil pouring. This means less time spent on refills and a cleaner, mess-free experience. Its simple, single-funnel design makes routine automotive maintenance straightforward. Enjoy hassle-free oil changes and upkeep with this essential tool. What we like. This funnel screws directly into the filler neck, staying secure during oil refills. If you own GM or BMW vehicles and want a stable, spill-reducing pouring experience, this is the perfect fit. The transparent chamber also helps prevent overfilling. What people say. This funnel is great for oil changes. It fits perfectly in the oil fill hole. The wide opening makes it easy to pour oil without spilling. Number 2. Oem Tools 18-gallon oil drain container. Easily position the oil drain pan for oil changes on various vehicles. Its adjustable height range makes it perfect for cars, trucks, and SUVs. The wide funnel ensures efficient oil capture, reducing spills during oil changes. This makes for quick, clean, and hassle-free oil drains. It features a built-in drain valve and evacuation spout. This makes the removal and disposal of used oil simple and mess-free. Equipped with 4 robust casters, this oil lift drain moves smoothly around the garage. This ensures effortless maneuverability. Monitor oil levels at a glance with the translucent green tank. This ensures you never overfill and always know when it's time to empty. What we like. With an adjustable height range and a large funnel, this container ensures efficient oil capture and reduces spills. If you need a convenient solution for oil changes on various vehicles and want easy waste disposal, this is a solid option. Its heavy-duty casters also make it highly mobile. What people say. The funnel is made of durable plastic. It has a wide opening for easy pouring. The integrated handle provides a secure grip. Number 1. Oem Tools 18-gallon portable oil lift drain. Effortlessly collect motor oil, transmission fluid, and coolant with its spacious 18-gallon capacity. This rolling drain pan is ideal for underlift maintenance, keeping your shop clean and efficient during oil changes. The height-adjustable funnel ranges from 44.5 to 68.5 inches, accommodating various lift heights. Its large 17-inch diameter with a filter screen ensures clean fluid collection by preventing debris entry. Easily evacuate collected fluids using pressurized self-evacuation with standard shop air. The quick connect fitting makes fluid transfer simple and fast, perfect for busy automotive shops. Large swivel casters provide excellent maneuverability across the shop floor, reducing downtime. Its portable design makes it an essential tool for efficient automotive maintenance. Designed for multiple fluid types, including oil, coolant, and transmission fluid, it handles large volumes effortlessly. It's perfect for professionals seeking reliable oil change tools for their workshop. What we like. This portable drain tank offers pressurized self-evacuation for easy fluid removal. If you are a professional looking for efficient oil collection and easy maneuverability in a busy shop, this is an excellent tool. It handles multiple fluid types and large volumes effortlessly. What people say. This funnel is great for oil changes. It has a wide mouth that makes it easy to pour oil into. The funnel is made of durable plastic and seems like it will last a long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.